We are at Lauren and Regent Street, and we got some old EM gate mechanisms here. And as for the first signal, it has a Satran EM. As for the lights, they have two pairs of Western Coal and Hayes 12 by 20 lights. And here's the emergency information, and the tag is 30165. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Here's the lights again. Yep, there's that. And yeah. Yes. Alright, here we are at the other side. Let's. This time, is there any logos on the back? No. I'm going to assume this is another Satran EM. They have two more pairs of Western Coal and Hayes 8-inch lights. And the bell is a Western Coal and Hayes second generation mechanical bell. And yeah. This might be a Griswold EM though. Not sure. And yeah. There's a side signal over there. And then there's another side signal.
Okay, so let's walk across and you can capture the two while
Yeah.
we're here.
Yeah. Yep. Oh yeah. It has a clamp style base. It has two pairs of Western Coal and Hayes 12 by 20 lights. One sitting on a WCH light bracket, and the other one's on a Satran light bracket. And yeah, there's another one over there, but I don't think we're gonna be able to go over there because it's literally in the middle of the intersection.
Oh yeah, I see it. You're right by where it says Lauren.
Yeah.
So come over this way and you can get a shot of it.
Yeah. I bet it's just gonna have the same equipment. I'm just not too sure what the bracket is. Bam. There's that one. Yeah. This is a neat crossing, and probably one of the rarest ones I've gotten so far. Thank you guys so much for watching this. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.